I was into programming and coding pre my MBA. So during MBA, I wanted to have a different sort of experience, and that is how I got an opportunity to intern with Halma. And I got to experience about B2B marketing, the construction industry, and the EPC industry per se with regards to my project.
I had frequent interactions with my supervisor, which helped me to carve the scope of the project, what all we are looking at, what can be the potential challenges, what are the tools that we are going to use to project the content with. I got to network with a lot of people from different backgrounds, from police departments, from NPCL, from NDRF, and from Indian Navy too.
My project was to develop a marketing strategy for product launch, and the product was linear heat sensors. So not did I only get the opportunity to apply the knowledge that I gained during my studies, but then also I got an opportunity for the market study. I had to connect with people, not only from Halma, from different offices, but also from people outside who were in the industry, the consultants, system integrators and distributors. So that was a different experience. I got to connect with people who had a lot of experience and knowledge, and always it wasn't always easy to connect with them because they had a very heavy schedule.
I think the best part about Halma is the people. People are very nice, as well as the company allows you to be autonomous and execute and take the responsibility of the project end to end.
We all had this responsible freedom at Halma, and we all made good use of it. And you can basically do your project in your own way. There are people to guide you, but it's all on you.
The best part was, okay, at Halma, they gave me a lot of freedom and like accountability, and like I'm able to learn from the mistakes which I have made from the past few months.
I have attended a Pilates session here, and my birthday party is also celebrated here. I have been here for 2 months, and there have been like 4 interactive sessions where all the teams of Halma are here, and they don't treat us like interns or some other person. Like we are valued equally.
You can approach to anybody and they'll be there to support you. The distances, the offices doesn't matter, like wherever you are geographically, it doesn't matter. And the hierarchy, as I mentioned, it's not there. It's very easy to approach other people around you.
If you get an opportunity to intern with Halma, it will really open your eyes with respect to the different industries and how marketing works with respect to different industries. What are the process or the guidelines or the challenges that you face for a regular marketing role, or for approaching a company, say in an IT firm or in an IT sector, would be different from what you have to take up or approach in a construction industry or in a EPC industry or in an oil and gas industry. So it's like a horses for courses approach that you have to take up, and you have to think on the go about the solutions that you have to take up while approaching different companies. And you will be guided perfectly by the people here, and they will mentor you well to complete your project and learn a lot also.
If you want to explore something on your own, if you want to be an entrepreneur, or if you want to do a research on your own, like without any bothering the interference from others, you can easily take up projects here. It will be an open place for you.
I would say that come prepared for the unexpected. You'll get to learn a lot while doing the project at Halma India, and you'll have the chance to collaborate with people and meet new people, as well as go out into the market to see how we do research or get to know the products that you are executing the project for.